Hi, I'm Kristen. This is Starfish, and today we are going on an adventure to Western Australia where people come from all over the world to swim with whale sharks. Let's put on our mask and take a dive. Oh my goodness, we have whale sharks here. Time to find them. Now, when you swim with whale sharks, there are some very special rules to follow. First, you wait on the back of the boat until it's your turn to hop in. Then everyone lines up, almost like side by side in the water, holding like an invisible line. And then the most important rule, you must never swim in front of the whale shark. That could scare it away. Instead, you wait until this enormous spotted shark glides past you. Only then do you swim alongside it, as fast as you can to keep up with it. Even though they're the largest fish in the ocean, whale sharks are peaceful filter feeders who glide gracefully through the water. Did you know that whale sharks can grow as long as a school bus? Yeah, that's right. That's like 40 feet or more. But don't worry, they don't eat people. Instead, they open their giant mouths to scoop up tiny plankton, fish eggs, and little shrimp. Yeah, they even hold all this food in their gills until they're ready to put it all down the really small, tiny hole in the back of their throat. Yeah, it's like they're straining all of this food right out of the ocean into their gills until they're ready for supper. Yum! Now, whale sharks are just as unique as our fingerprints. Yes, they have spots on their skin, and it's really easy to identify them wherever they are in the world. That's right, no two whale sharks look exactly the same, and scientists can actually then spend time identifying them by their special stripes and spots and patterns wherever they are in the world. Isn't that amazing? So don't forget, if you see a whale shark, you have to upload your picture so the scientists can identify who you saw. Did you know that a mother whale shark can give birth to 100 alive babies? Yeah, they're called pups. And each little pup is born already swimming on its own. Yeah, it looks like a little baby whale shark. Imagine a whole little nursery of little baby sharks gliding through the sea. Oh my God, it would be so fun to see. Now, unlike whales that sing beautiful songs, whale sharks are completely silent. Shh. They don't roar or call out. They glide peacefully and quietly through the ocean like a gentle giant whispering by. Now, seeing a whale shark has truly been one of the most magical experiences in my life. I hope you get to go out and have the same one. Thanks for taking a dive with me. Why? Yellow boxfish. Even though they are so big, whale sharks remind us that you don't have to hurry through life. Sometimes it's okay to just sit back, take your time, and enjoy the journey. Okay, let's go do a fun activity. All right, welcome back for another episode of Afternoontea123. This is where we combine my favorite activities, eating, and math. Okay, Starfish, thanks for joining me for a snack. Who is our special guest today? It's Lammy! Hey, Lammy, do you like your fast food? I bet you do. Okay, what do we have today? We have strawberries and apples. Okay, how many strawberries to start? 1, 2, 3. These look pretty good. I think I'm gonna have a strawberry. Starfish is gonna have a strawberry, and Lammy's gonna have a strawberry. So we had 3 to start with, and if we're gonna eat 3 or subtract 3, we have 3 minus 3 is, yep, 0. there's no left. Okay, time to eat up.
Good eating, Lemmy.
Okay, those strawberries were delicious. Now, we have 4 apples left. Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm getting pretty full. Starfish, do you want one? And Lammy, you want an apple? Of course you do. Okay, if we had 4 apples to start with, and we're gonna eat 1, 2. If we have 4 and we take away 2 or subtract 2, how many are left? Yep, 2. Good counting. Okay, eat up, Starfish. Eat up, Lammy. All right, thanks for joining us on Afternoon Tea. See you again next time. Thanks for joining us on today's show. Never forget your inner star and keep shining. And remember, in a world of scary sharks, let's all be starfish. Take care.